There is nothing quite like the deep color of a beautifully blued firearm. Restore the deep blue finish of your gun and erase years of scratches and nicks. Achieve that flawless metal finish with Birchwood Casey's complete Perma Blue Liquid Gun Bluing Kit. This easy-to-use, all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need for touching up or completely re-bluing your guns. A 3-ounce cleaner degreaser and a 3-ounce blue and rust remover prepare your gun for the re-bluing process. Seal out moisture before you apply any blue with Barricade Rust Protection Wipes. The wipes extract moisture from the microscopic pores in metal, then fill in and seal its surface with a protective film. The 3-ounce fast-acting Perma Blue liquid gives a non-streaky, uniform blue-black finish. When your richly blued finish is complete, keep it looking new by rubbing on a coat of Barricade Rust Protection from time to time or after each shooting session. A detailed, easy-to-follow instructional manual takes you from start to finish. For more information on the Perma Blue Liquid Gun Bluing Kit by Birchwood Casey or a full line of other metal finishing products, go to birchwoodcasey.com.